Taylor Swift is one of the most brilliant business owners I have ever learned from. And in this video, I'm sharing 5 game-changing lessons she showed the world that you can copy and paste into your cleaning business to blow up. And I know what you're thinking. Taylor Swift doesn't run a cleaning business. True. But if she did, she'd own the biggest one in your town and have a 6-month waiting list. Why? Because she understands business power moves better than the most successful CEOs in the world. So, long story short, for those that don't know, she signed a record deal when she was younger that gave up some of the rights to her music. She didn't own the actual master recordings. Later, as her career blew up, she wanted to buy those masters back to regain control. But this is where things got messy. And ultimately, she and the current owner couldn't agree to terms. So what did she do? She re-recorded them as Taylor's version. And in that move, we find the lessons that I'm going to break down. And after running my cleaning business for over 25 years, I now help cleaning business owners start, grow, and fix what's not working so they can hit their income goals consistently and with so much less stress. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to reclaim ownership of your life and business, how to position your business as the premium choice, and how to build something solid and successful. And if you want my personal help doing all of that and so much more, then check out my coaching program linked below after watching. So let's dive in. Here are 5 powerful lessons from Taylor Swift's master story that will transform your cleaning business. Lesson number 1, reclaim ownership. When Taylor lost the rights to her original masters, she didn't complain about how unfair it was. She outsmarted the system. She said, "No problem. I'll just re-record everything and make my versions even better." This is known as being a solution-oriented business owner versus a problem-oriented one. Solution-oriented people will always find the solution. And in Taylor's case, this move put her back in control. So what does this mean for you? Stop giving complete control of your business to platforms and clients. If all your leads come from Thumbtack or Angie, you're at their mercy. And as soon as those platforms change their terms or fees, your business will take a hit. You're the business owner, so you should be in control. Create a Google business profile, build relationships, find and land clients, then collect reviews that belong to you and not some third-party platform. Then set your business's standards, create systems, document your training, build strong standard operating procedures, then repeat and scale. And when it comes to clients, you're in control there too, not them. If you don't want to work for someone, then don't. Think about it. Would you rather have a business that depends on one platform and plays by your clients' rules, or one that you control from the top to the bottom? Obviously, you want the latter, because you're not just building another hustle, you're building a brand. Lesson number 2, devalue the competition. Taylor chose not to compete with the owners of her old masters. Instead, she just made their product irrelevant. You want to listen to Love Story? Great. You can stream Taylor's version here. And her fans did exactly that. The lesson? In the cleaning industry, you don't win by arguing with clients about prices or sinking to the level of your competitors. You win by offering something so good, so professional, so reliable that your competitors' cheap offer looks low quality, because it is. The right clients who appreciate quality work will see the value in what you're offering. And to sell the higher level service, level up so you stand out. You do this by dialing in your branding, by offering custom cleaning solutions, and by creating communication systems that make clients feel cared for. And these things make you look like a pro, not just someone with a mop and a Venmo account. And educate your clients. Tell them why your service is different. Help them understand your process. When you shift the conversation to one that's focused on value and not focused on price, you win. Your version of cleaning should feel like a premium remix. That's your Taylor's version. Lesson number 3, turn fans into partners. Taylor didn't just re-record her albums and hope people would listen. She made it a movement. She got her fans involved. They streamed her new versions, bought her merchandise, boosted her message. It wasn't just about music. It was about justice, loyalty, and ownership. And you can create the same energy with your clients. So share your story. Maybe you're a single mom creating generational wealth. Maybe you immigrated to a new country and you're trying to build a better life for your family. Maybe you're giving back to your community in some way. Whatever your why is, talk about it. Let your clients feel like they're part of something bigger. It's not just a cleaning business, it's a mission. And when people believe in your mission, they stop price shopping and start rooting for you to win. Lesson number 4, play the long game. Taylor spent years re-recording her albums. So this wasn't a quick money grab. This was a strategic move that flipped the power dynamic. And building a real cleaning business is the same. It takes time to put systems in place. Train your team right. Build a reputation that gets you word-of-mouth referrals instead of chasing new leads. But every time you invest in systems and team members, you're setting yourself up to step back without the business falling apart. Most people want instant wins, and when they don't get them, they quit. But you're not most people. You're building something sustainable, something valuable, something you can scale or sell one day. So don't just work hard, work smart. Because the systems you build today become the assets that pay you tomorrow. And lesson number 5, redefine the narrative. Taylor took a situation that could have been a PR disaster and turned it into an empowering story that made her look like a fearless boss. She shifted the narrative from victim to hero. And that shift was everything. If people see you as just a cleaner or just a cleaning business owner, then you'll never get premium prices. You'll be stuck in the race to the bottom. So flip the script. You're not just scrubbing toilets. You're giving busy moms their time back. You're giving professionals peace of mind. You're helping elderly clients live safely in clean spaces. What you do matters. So don't blend in with the budget Craigslist cleaners. Stand out as the professional who brings value, peace, and pride to every cleaned property. And remember, people don't buy services. They buy transformations. They buy solutions to problems. In our case, they buy cleaning solutions to solve cleaning problems. And this is just how business works. Apple doesn't just sell phones. They sell creativity and connection. Nike doesn't just sell shoes. They sell achievements. Chick-fil-A doesn't just sell chicken. They sell the experience that comes with the chicken. And you don't just sell cleaning. You sell freedom, peace of mind, and a better quality of life. So like Taylor, redefine your narrative and own your story, because building a profitable cleaning business starts with how you see yourself. So Taylor Swift might be a mega superstar, but her business mindset is something we can all learn from. So to recap, reclaim ownership, devalue the competition, turn clients into partners, play the long game, and redefine the narrative. You don't need to be famous to be powerful. You just need a plan and the willingness to stop letting other people own your business story. And if you want to build or grow your own cleaning business where you call the shots, where you own the systems, and where you set the terms, then my coaching program is ready to guide you. Learn more at the link below, and let's keep building what you want together.